These are the parking elevators at the Sarasota City Center office building in Sarasota, Florida. Unlike when I was here in December 2016, both of these elevators are now in service. Elevators 1 through 4 are the main elevators in the building, and 5 is the service elevator. These are elevators 6 and 7. It looks like we have this one. We're gonna go 6. Here's the certificate. Nice motor. Here we're on 6. This should be the roof of the garage. Yeah, also this elevator, as I remember, actually has a different chime than the other one. You'll see that later, if they didn't change it, which they wouldn't have because this is an older chime. So yeah, they removed the security camera actually. Someone might be here. That beeped again. It's kind of weird. That one is up on 4. So I'll resume the video once it comes down. The exterior indicator is kind of glitching a little, but it's here. Yeah, this is just the same as I remember it, so we're only gonna, let's go to 3, because I don't really want to waste my time with these, because I did last time. It took me forever to film these, and I actually ended up with not much of a video. And that's because I was kind of messing around trying to see all the colors of the floors in the garage. Someone might have called it. I'll tell you this, 3 is purple and 6 is brown. I'll tell you the rest of them from when I filmed them in 2016. I'll insert that after the elevator video. Here's 1. Here's a certificate. There they go. And that'll be it.